we? Where are we, Danny?
The farm.
We're at the farm. What are we going to see? What was that? What was that?
What was that?
Was that the rooster?
No.
He went cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yes, that was the rooster. Hey,
What's in there?
Hey.
What's in that cage?
Hey, what's in that cage?
Some doves and some chickens and some baby chicks.
And some chickens. Chicken!
Yeah, chicken.
Chicken.
What sound does the chicken make? What sound does a rooster make?
Can you do a rooster sound? Oh, he did it for
Asking you, show me.
Did you hear the rooster?
What are those things? It went cock-a-doo-doo.
Good job, Danny.
I didn't know what those
Say hi, little duck.
I know that. The duck.
Look, he's sticking his head through.
Hey, Jake is a duck.
Look at him sticking his head through.
He's getting himself all dirty.
Yeah, he is.
We don't hit the
Look at him.
pan.
He's eating the dirt. It's a duck.
He's looking for bugs to eat.
He's making noise.
That one's a goose. You can tell because he goes honk honk.
Look, he was in the pool.
Are they getting ready? The cows.
Yeah, they don't feed them.
What do you think of those cows?
They smell stinky.
They're pretty stinky?
Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, let him. Go ahead, do it again. Pet him. Be nice.
Hey. Cow show.
Yeah, cow
right.
says moo. Oh, he gave it a kiss. Did you catch that?
Did you kiss him, Jake?
He did. Look at Danny. Oh, cute.
Hey, Jake.
I don't think that one knows how to eat that yet.
Give him a kiss. Give him a little kiss.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't get it. Jake, one more time.
Yeah.
Give him a kiss. Give him kisses. One more time so Mama can catch it. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Jake, got my kiss.